Okay, take 2! Because my stupid camera records things 15 times fast with no voice. There's no sound. Anyway.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am doing a Dollarama haul. It's huge, so sit down, get comfy, let's get started. I'm gonna start with the dog, because why not? It's on top. This is the pet store brand. Squeaky dog toy. Massages the gums. It says maximum durability. I'm testing that shit. This was $3.50. I know it's not like, I didn't go to Petland and buy this, but whatever. It's really strong for me. Can't beat me. Anyway, our dog is a heavy chewer. And by heavy chewer, I mean she mutilates everything. Everything. She's crazy. I'm gonna give her all of, I don't know, 10 minutes to tear this apart. What's your guess? Comment down below. I should do that more often. People never comment. Comment. Say hi. I don't care. Say something. I'm gonna do a video on this. I'm gonna show you. This will not last her, like, at all. She destroyed a Kong. I don't know why I bought this. People are like, well, why did you buy it? Because she'll chew everything else if I don't give her something that she can chew. Do you not have dogs? Speaking of dogs, I got her a treat for when she doesn't chew things. Somebody fell. There's lots of them up there, so we'll figure that out. This is the Milk-Bone brand Marrow Snacks. She will love this. She will love this. She loves all things. It doesn't matter. The dog eats garbage. This is a step up from garbage. I found something. Wait one second. These. At Dollarama. Can you believe this? These are amazing. These are from the brand Simon Chang, which I don't think is Dollarama brand. These are felt hats. I got a smaller, like, bucket-esque, not bucket-esque, yeah, maybe, bucket-esque felt gray hat. And then a bigger, more floppy, I'm a rich wife hat. Because, you know, everybody needs one of these. Because I have a red one as well. But it's still in Chilliwack because, you know, I forgot it there. But this, anyway, this is beige. In case you didn't know. Beige. The complicated color that it is. Because apparently there's a million different shades of beige. But there's hair on it because, you know, I tried wearing it. I tried putting it over the button. It looked really stupid. Anyway, it's a cute hat for $4 each. That's a deal. Now, let's get back onto the household things. Okay, as I already told you once, but you don't know because, you know, my camera screwed up. I bought Drano. This is liquid, I bought Liquid Plumber. I didn't buy Drano. This is the Pro Strength lemon scented because some idiot wanted to smell this. Take it down a notch, Joe. People are gonna get mad. Leave me a comment if that offended you. Did I offend you? I've only had one coffee today. You think I would have ate? I didn't eat the coffee. I drank the whatever. Back onto the Drano. My sink's clogged because my kids think that any drain is okay to put toilet paper down. Because my kids love me. So, Drano. Now, back onto the other things. I got some smelly stuff for my house. This is the Airwicks Essential Oils Natural something or other. It's not natural. It's an oil. But it smells good. And I like my house to smell good because I have a thing for my house smelling good. Speaking of that, I have a small obsession with Febreze and Febreze-esque things. This is the limited edition, so you know I had to buy it because it was limited edition. It would never be back. Oh, it smells so good. Anyway, this is a Febreze fabric fresh twisted cherry. I love anything cherry. Cherry. Smells. I'll just spray myself. You did that TikTok. I just Febreze, or dry shampooed and Febreze my kids out the door. I did that TikTok. Because I may have done that once. Maybe. No judgment. Febreze. It's my favorite. I have a small cupboard. You know, just a small, full cupboard of smelly things. It's natural. You be a mom with pets and tell me you don't need Febreze. Speaking of being a mom, my kids eat their utensils. I swear. Because they go missing. So I had to buy 2 packs of 16 each, which makes 32 utensils. Please don't lose my utensils, children. It's got 2 different sets of spoons, a fork, and a knife. Now, I have 0 spoons, 3 forks, and a whole crap ton of knives, because nobody eats the knives. You know, they're dangerous. If they lose these, I'm going to take all the things they love and cut them into pieces. I'm so sick of buying utensils. I'm going to tell them that when I drop them off. And be that, Mom. I will cut your nice things into pieces if I lose my utensils. I may make my children cry. Probably shouldn't do it. Speaking of cherries, this is the Hertel. It's in French, but it smells bomb. This is the cherry and almond scent. It smells bomb. I love this stuff. I love it. Almost every time I go there, I buy one. What if it goes away? Where am I going to find it? I can't go to France or Quebec. That's really far away. Costs a lot of money. And I don't want to order it online. Oh, sorry. My neck was hurting. It's being dramatic and my neck was getting stiff. This is bomb. If you have it, buy it. So if you can find it, buy it. Now, on to some other things. Now that I can dig down. One more cleaning product. This is the Scrubbing Bubbles Mega Shower Foamer from Johnson & Johnson. Weren't they being sued for something? Killing people? Poisoning? I don't know. Whatever. There's a label on here. Says it can kill you. Be careful. This is a whitest spray. Shh. My shower needs to be cleaned. I will be doing a video on my other channel. Or no, this is going up on this channel. This may be going up on both channels. So I have 2 channels. My mama channel and my beauty channel. I do put Dollarama hauls on my beauty channel. So it may be on both channels. And if you're on the mommy channel, welcome. I'm a frazzled mom of 6. And I'm going to use that in my shower because it needs to be cleaned. And I will be doing a video eventually. Just kind of slow to the go this year. Anyway, I got some command hooks. This is actually for my daughter. These are those sticky Velcro ones. She just got herself a new mirror so she can put it up on the wall without damaging the wall. I got another mouse because the one that I bought my son didn't work. So get him another one. Hopefully this works because I'm tired of buying mouses. And if this doesn't work, I'm done. He can buy his own from somewhere. Now, I found the cutest socks. I couldn't believe that they had them. If you find them, buy them. They're freaking adorable. These are the Comfy Toes. Cute. Men's crew socks. I don't give a crap if they're men's. They're $2.50. They say size 7 to 11, so they'll fit women. Whatever. And this says, they have words on them. Anyway, it says, if you can read this, I can't adult today. That's me. That's me today. I can't adult. I have too much attitude. I cannot adult today. Next. This one's actually for my son because I have nothing to do with this. It says, please do not disturb. I'm gaming with a PlayStation controller. Or it's an Xbox controller. Who knows? I don't know. We have both. You tell me. Why do we have both? I don't know. And then these ones says, if you can read this, I'm taking a nap. Yes. And they're the rubbery thing, so it's like sticky to the floor so you won't die. I love these. I love them. More. Bring more. Dollarama. Bring more. Now, I got 3 hair care things, and then I'm done. So, stay with me, people. This is a Swarovski. Bond connector technology. It has Bond Cure, BC Bond Cure, Bond Cure, Hair Therapy, Fiber Force, Fortifying Shampoo. This is a shampoo. I thought this was like a leave-in cream. Sorry, guys. Anyway, for over-processed hair. Oh, right. No, it is a shampoo. Anyway, yes, because my hair is over-processed. And it will be even more so. Because I'm dying. Oh, that's rank. I don't like that. Like, it's not like expired rank. It's just that you can smell that. You know, I'm actually helping you smell. I got, what is this? This is the Keratin Complex brand. The Keratin shampoo and the Keratin care conditioner. This is the smoothing and this is the smoothing. They're both smoothing. Of course they are. But this one's sodium free. I don't know if that means anything. Anyway, I got both these because again, my hair needs some love. I hope these don't smell like, well, they don't smell amazing. You know, you'd think they'd smell like salon products, but I don't think they do. So this is this bottle of conditioner, and this is this bottle of shampoo. I hope the shampoo smells good. No, they both kind of have that weird, same thing with this one. I don't know. You know they're gonna do something. So, I got these. I think that's everything, guys. Anyway, I don't know. Whatever. It was a lot of stuff. A lot of cleaning things. A lot of household things. A couple beauty things. Some dog stuff. All around pretty good, don't you think? Like this video if you think it's a good haul. Like this video if you think I'm being outrageous, because I have a lot of energy today and I don't really know why, and I really want another coffee, so I may skip the dish some Timmy's. That's pretty Canadian. Because it's like pitch black out, and it is 5:09, because you know that's normal, and I just want to show you, let's see if you can see this. I may have to turn my brightness up a little bit. Do you see that? Mine is 21. Feels like minus 26. Welcome to Canada winter. Hey. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you have not yet. And I will see you in my next video. With probably the same hair because I'm filming another 2 videos. Bye!